Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download or export Discord channel and chats history. Over the past few years, Discord has managed to evolve from its gamer-centric user base and attract people of multifaceted backgrounds. They made chatting with your friends even more fun by devising an arsenal of unique and innovative features. However, Discord still lacks some features. One of these features includes the ability to export your chats natively. There's no need to worry, as this is still achievable by following the guide using a nifty third-party tool. The first one is the classic copy-paste. The most simple and obvious way to export your Discord chats is to just copy and paste them on Notepad. This is not the most elegant method, but it's one that can save you in pinch when you need it. Highlighted the chat by dragging the mouse and holding the left click. Once highlighted, right-click to open the menu. Then, select Copy. Now, open up your Notepad, right-click again, and select Paste from the menu. The chat should be copied onto the Notepad and save it as text file by clicking on File and Save. The second method is using Discord chat export. It is worth noting that while most texting apps have a native chat export feature, Discord does not have one. This is very surprising since the developer of Discords are always adding new features to the app. Thankfully, Discord chat exporter is here to facilitate us with this ordeal. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.